Enterprises, whether they're large, medium or small, are increasingly making video conferencing available to most of their workforce and not just to some departments or individuals. But providing organization-wide access for video meetings and conferencing to hundreds of employees is not as simple as providing them with a cloud VC access via their laptops. Rooms and collaboration spaces continue to remain important for team productivity as they allow people to collaborate more conveniently and effectively in a more engaged manner. Over the last few years, organizations have increasingly embraced huddle rooms as a solution for bringing access to a larger number of employees. The number of huddle rooms in deployment has been steadily increasing, with requests for over 100 huddle rooms becoming common. The bottom line is that huddle rooms are a powerful tool for helping unlocking video collaboration in the enterprise. Better VC availability, wider access, and greater ease of use can help to drive video adoption very effectively across your organization. Team benefits. These smaller and simpler meeting spaces are preferred by teams for a variety of reasons. They are great for on-the-fly interactions and are usually available for use without elaborate planning and scheduling. Huddle rooms allow small groups to spontaneously get together for creative discussions without disturbing other co-workers, especially in open-plan offices. They are also simple to use as they usually feature only the most frequently used tools and are pretty much standardized as you move from one huddle room to the other. They allow them to interact with customers and co-workers more often, leading to better engagement and working relationships. Huddle rooms are just the right size for the large majority of meetings, creating the right level of engagement and intimacy for smaller groups. Organizational benefits. Organizations too experience several benefits from the use of huddle rooms, which include substantially lower cost of the rooms both in terms of real estate required and in terms of the collaboration tools that are installed. Greater flexibility and optimized utilization as huddle rooms can be used for in-person discussions, remote recruitment interviews, online sales reviews, client interactions, or even accounting meetings. Organizations achieve more with less as huddle rooms impact productivity and video adoption to a greater extent than larger conference rooms. Huddle rooms are easy to find space for and need much less work to set up and install. Given the wide-ranging benefits huddle rooms offer, you may want to make them a part of your strategy to make meetings more productive for teams in your organization. But what do organizations need to keep in mind to ensure that the potential of huddle rooms translates into reality? Here are a few practical insights on how you can achieve this for your organization. Choose the location of these rooms carefully. They need to be placed close to areas where people actually work, allowing quick and spontaneous transitions as required. Make sure you have the right number of rooms. Too few and it will frustrate your teams. Too many and they will lie underutilized. The generally accepted thumb rule is one huddle room for every 10 employees. Include support for video conferencing and collaboration using soft VC. This keeps costs low and allows widespread use by people from their laptop itself. Keep the equipment in the room basic. This makes them simpler for teams to use and much more cost effective for the organization. A true win-win. Standardize the huddle room design so people are not disoriented when they move from one room to the other. This means meetings start faster, run smoother, and require less intervention from support and facilities teams. Consider a couple of huddle room size variations, a 2 to 3 seater variation and perhaps a 4 to 6 seater version, just in case there's a medium sized group. This will lead to better utilization and flexibility in the long run. You can also incorporate a dual display into the larger room so that participants can view a presentation and far-side video simultaneously. Carefully consider the room interiors for good acoustics. Ensure that you use materials which improve acoustics for video and audio conferencing. Glass can be a challenging material, as can loud external noises. Room lighting requires careful selection also, as visibility for far-side VC participants is impacted by this much more than you may imagine. Choose and integrate the right gear carefully. Install as large a display as possible. Choose a simple and accessible connectivity interface like a cable cubby. Add a good external 4K camera for VC via your soft VC system with an external mic and speakers for improved audio clarity far and near side. Ideally, you should also consider a whiteboard so people can naturally communicate in ways that are familiar to them. Audio enhancement may also be necessary depending on the acoustics and size of your huddle space. Make the room startup process smooth. Wireless presenting and integration with calendar and/or sync sensing occupancy sensors help achieve this. As changes in our workforce and workflows happen, the huddle room is being seen as a very effective way for organizations to support a new kind of collaborative culture. Businesses are steadily embracing huddle rooms to create a more progressive approach which is centered around flexibility, innovation, and teamwork. Perhaps this is the right time for your organization to also consider how huddle rooms fit into your enterprise infrastructure for video collaboration. For more information or assistance with improving your collaboration infrastructure, please contact Team Actis.